Everybody wants to be rich, and the quickest way to get rich is to increase your income. While most people have one stream of income, the average millionaire has multiple ways of making money. While trying all 7 that I outline in this video is excessive, anyone seeking to become rich should aim for at least 3 of the following sources of income. The first type of income is earned income. This is essentially just salary from a job. Earned income is how the vast majority of people make a living. It's the easiest source of income to acquire, but it is also the hardest to grow significantly and requires the most work. The other disadvantage is that earned income has a hard limit. Theoretically, you can only work 24 hours a day. The second type of income is profit income. Profit income is income made by selling a good for more than the cost of producing the good. This is how most businesses earn their money. Profit income is one of the riskier methods of increasing your wealth, but it can also be one of the most financially rewarding. The third type of income is interest income. Interest income is profit made off of loaning money to others, whether those others are individuals, businesses, or governments. The easiest way to make money off of interest is through a bank account, T-bills, or corporate and municipal bonds. Interest income is very low risk, but suffers most heavily from inflation, which can easily eat away at and even surpass the interest rate. The fourth type of income is dividend income. Dividend income is income generated by owning shares of a company that pays a dividend. A dividend is a cash payment made by a company to its shareholders. The most significant advantage of dividend income is its low risk and its ability to offer significant, long-lasting returns. The downside is that getting rich from dividend income requires an incredible amount of patience and the ability to delay gratification. The fifth type of income is rental income. Rental income is money made off of purchasing real estate and renting it out. The advantages of rental income are that real estate is a commodity that will always be needed, and rent prices won't necessarily be affected by the price swings of the overall property value. The downsides are that rental income requires the most money to get started in, and it has the lowest liquidity. The sixth type of income is capital gains. Capital gains income is income made by buying a financial instrument, typically shares of stock, and selling those shares once the price increases. The advantages of capital gains income are that it is easy to get started in, has a high potential for reward, and money made off of capital gains is taxed less heavily than money made from the other 6 sources of income. The downsides are that it can also be very risky and it requires the most research to be successful in. The final type of income is royalty income. Royalty income is money made off of your intellectual property, books, songs, patents, etc. The advantage of royalty income is that after the intellectual property is created, that's it. You're done working and you can just watch the money roll in. The downside is that royalty income requires an incredible amount of hard work and/or talent to produce anything profitable.